Why is big data a buzzword in the realm of business analytics today? Is it merely a trend, or does it hold substantial weight in shaping business strategies and decision-making processes? To understand this, imagine a business as a colossal ship sailing on the vast ocean of the market. Now, this ship needs a compass and a map to navigate its way, right? Enter business analytics, the compass and map of our ship, helping it chart its course, avoid obstacles, and reach its destination. But what about the wind, the currents, and the depth of the ocean? That's where big data steps in. Big data is the ocean's data, its depth, the wind's speed, the water's temperature, and the current's direction. It's the detailed information that helps the ship navigate more accurately and efficiently. Let's delve into a case study to illustrate this relationship more clearly. Consider the global coffeehouse chain, Starbucks. With over 30,000 stores worldwide, imagine the amount of data they generate daily, from customer preferences to stock inventory, sales, and employee performance. Starbucks has been harnessing this big data to fuel their business analytics. Starbucks uses big data to understand customer behavior, preferences, and patterns. It analyzes data from various sources like social media, customer feedback, and purchase history. This data is then used to personalize marketing campaigns, offers, and even product development. For instance, they launched their plant-based menu in response to the rising trend of veganism and health consciousness, a decision guided by insights derived from big data. The company also uses predictive analytics, a facet of business analytics, to manage its supply chain more effectively. By analyzing data related to sales, stock, and consumption, Starbucks can predict demand and manage inventory efficiently, reducing waste and optimizing resources. So what can we glean from this relationship between big data and business analytics? Firstly, big data serves as the foundation for business analytics. It provides the raw, unfiltered information, which when analyzed, translates into actionable insights. It's like the difference between having a pile of puzzle pieces and a completed puzzle. Big data is the pile of pieces, and business analytics is the process of putting them together to reveal the picture. Secondly, big data enhances the accuracy and efficiency of business analytics. The more data you have, the more accurate your predictions and decisions will be. It's like having a more detailed map for our ship. The more details you have, the better you can navigate. Finally, the integration of big data with business analytics enables businesses to be more proactive rather than reactive. They can anticipate trends, customer behavior, and market shifts, and adapt accordingly. It's like being able to predict the weather conditions for our ship and prepare for them in advance. So, is big data important in business analytics? Absolutely. It's the wind in the sails of our ship, guiding it to the treasure island of business success. In today's data-driven world, the ability to harness big data and utilize business analytics effectively is not just an advantage, it's a necessity.